Tax Refund 2022. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back in today's video. How long does it take to get your 2022 tax refund? Well, we have a tax refund testimony in today's video. Also, stay tuned for more tax refund status update. Let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you subscribe to this awesome channel for tax refund updates as well as unemployment updates. Angel Dominique Jackson. Let's go ahead and get started. And disclaimer, I was given permission to use this video by the creator herself.
The last video I did on how long it took my best friend to get her taxes, it took her 7 days, but all she had was just W-2s. It was an easy file online. So if you do easy file online, just your W-2s, and boom, you can get it in a couple of days. Just file online. She used TurboTax, and she also did my taxes. But my taxes were a little bit harder because I had more things. So these are the things I had to file on my taxes. Okay, I had to file my regular job is just the W-2s, right? Then I have a small business. My small business, I had to do my taxes for my small business. That was a 1099. And I had to do my, Schedule C for the losses, right? Then I was on unemployment last year. As you've seen a lot of my videos, I was doing some unemployment before I went back to work. So I had to also file my unemployment. Then I filed for the income tax credit, right, for 2019. Some of us will be eligible for the income tax credit. So I did file for that. Also, I am a content creator on YouTube, and because my channel is monetized and they play the commercials, they consider this channel as far as a small business. So I got a 1099 from YouTube, so I also had to file that. Okay. Now, also, I was giving royalties, right? Royalties can be under books or artwork, things like that. Sometimes even real estate. And because I am an author of books and I am a published author, they send me checks for how much my books are selling. So I had to also file that. So with all of those things being filed, I filed my taxes on February 3rd, okay? My taxes were declined that same night because I did not have what is called the 1095A form. I only have the 3895 form. Now, the 1095A and the 3895 forms are for Covered California. I was using Covered California as my medical, and they didn't send me the 1095A, but they only sent the 3895 form. So when I did my taxes, my friend did my taxes, they declined both the state and federal because they wanted that 1095A. I have a video I did because I want people to know that. Make sure when you do your taxes, you have your if you were using Covered California, they want to know how much they paid in for you as well when you file your taxes. So I have a video, I'll put it the link so you can get it online. If you haven't received it, you say, well, what are you talking about? 1095, 3895, I didn't get it. Or maybe you got one, but not the other like me. And, I had to call them and they wouldn't, and by law, they can't, email it to you. They can remail it, but I want to do my taxes as quickly as I can so I can get my bag in my bank, right, family? So once they declined me on the 3rd, the 4th, I went online, figured it out, and I got the 1095A form. My friend resubmitted it. It was approved, right? So it got approved on February 4th. Then I got this stating that I should receive my payment, right? They said they received it. And today, even when I checked it today, it still says return received and refund approved. It says your tax refund is scheduled to be sent to you, to your bank by February 24th, right? Well, it was there today, the 23rd. My friend told me, hey, Angel, go ahead and check your bank because it might be there. And it was there. So when I calculated from February 4th, and this is counting this is also counting, weekends. It took 19 days, okay, for me to do my business, my 1099, my unemployment, income tax credit, royalties, all those things. It only took them 19 days to get the money in my account, okay, this morning. And I have a credit union. I have Golden One Credit Union. So I don't know if that makes a difference. If you look at the information here, it does say that If you don't receive it by March 1st, 2022, check with your bank to see if it has been received. Um, the reason why I want to do this video too, family, is because sometimes we look at this, right? And it says return received, refund approved. Now we're waiting for a refund sent. Well, it's still today. This is where I got this picture from. It still doesn't say refund sent. It's been sent. It's in my bank. I already got the money, right? So please check your account. Even though it looks like this, it could be sitting in your bank. Even though it says you should get it by the 24th, I probably got it yesterday. You know what I'm saying? But I was thinking I'm not going to get it till probably Thursday, Friday. But check it, check it early. But I just wanted to share with you guys how long it took. It only took 19 days. It was only declined one time because of that 1095 form. I'm going to put the link in the description. But family, let me know, have you gotten your bag yet? And, how long is it taking you? I like to do these videos so we can kind of keep people on the up and up, because with the taxes being behind, we don't know how long it's taken. We all have, some people got theirs already because they got easy file. Some of us are business owners. We got little side hustles and stuff like that. So I'm letting y'all know, with my royalties, with my regular job, with my unemployment, and with my side hustle, it took 19 days. Okay, honey? So love you guys. Hit that like, smash that notification bell, and subscribe to your sister channel. All right, family?
All right, make sure you subscribe to Angel Dominique Jackson's channel for tax refund updates, unemployment, as well as Bible study. Make sure prayer on Wednesday, we have prayer and Bible study. All right, now let's move on. So that was for the simple filers, the filers who have business or 1099s. You can also, as you heard her say, she has a business as well as side hustles, and she was able to get her tax refund within 19 days, and her friend received her simple filing refund within 7 days. So if there are no issues, and she had a delay, it was rejected, and she still was able to get her refund before the 21 days. So that is a positive, that the IRS is indeed making progress this year. And if there's no issues with your 2022 tax refund, you will get it timely. Now, for those of you who claim the credits, if you e-file an accurate return, all right, and you claim the credits, the IRS state you should get your refund by March 1st. So for any of you who claim the credits and still have not received your refund, you still have time before you get worried. The IRS is also stating on irs.gov, that is where this information is being shared from. As always, it is taking more than 21 days to complete some of the tax returns that claim the credit. It states here it can take up to 90 to 120 days to issue refunds for tax return with the recovery rebate credit, earned income credit, tax, and the additional child tax credit, because some of these returns will be reviewed manually. It doesn't mean you won't get your refund. It means that they will flag some of these returns that claim the credits for review for accuracy, as well as your return can also be held up for identity verification. Make sure you are checking the WMR if the IRS need additional information or identity verification. They will send you a notice when you should call the IRS. If it's been more than 21 days since your 2021 tax return was accepted, you can start calling the IRS to check the status to see if you're pending for identity verification, W-2 information, or any other information that you need to either provide documentation or you can verify by phone. Now, 21 days is from when the IRS started to accept tax return, which was January 24, as you see highlighted. 21 days would have been February 21st. So if it has been 21 days and you have not seen any kind of action on the WMR, you should probably start calling the IRS to check the status of your 2021 tax return. Now, the best time to call the IRS is in the mornings, right when they open at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And some people have luck calling them right before they close, around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you check pin in the playlist pin in the comment section, as well as in the description box, for my video tips to speak with the IRS updated. If you follow those tips, you will be able to speak with the IRS. All right, now that brings us to the end of this video. All right, make sure to continue to check on the status of your refund, and as Angel Dominique Jackson mentioned, you also need to be checking your bank account, because the WMR may not be updated with refunds sent, but it may be in your bank account. All right, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and come back for all the tax refund information that matters to you most. I am doing the research so you do not have to. And I will see every one of you again very, very soon. Make sure to comment and share with others if you have also received your 2022 tax refund. Bye-bye, everyone.